Epoxy floors are strong, cheap, and easy to put down yourself, making them great for garages or basements. They also help prevent slips. Here's a simple trick for removing a stuck drain plug. Cut notches on both sides of the plug. Then use a pry bar and hammer to turn it. This gives you more grip and leverage. Be careful not to damage the drain while doing this. If a screw head breaks off, don't panic. Use a drill to make a small hole in the remaining part. Then use a special screw extractor to remove it. Always wear safety glasses when drilling. To make a strong four-way joint, use wood glue and dowel pins. This keeps everything tight. Sand the edges for a smooth finish. In a pinch, a quick tire repair kit can fix a flat. It's not permanent, but it'll get you to a mechanic. Always keep one in your car, just in case. Got loose screws in your particle board? Here's a quick fix. Fill the hole with some cotton and wood glue. Let it dry completely. This makes a strong spot for the screw to grip. It's like giving your screw a new home. Go easy when patching drywall. Pressing too hard can damage the wall behind. Take your time and be gentle. Safety glasses are a must. Use a baby shoe on your tool belt to hold screws. It's handy and keeps things organized. Here's a neat trick. Open just the inner part of plastic wrap. Tape it in place. Keeps the roll tidy while you use it. Works for aluminum foil, too. Need to measure a corner. Try this. Put a card against the wall, clip it with a binder clip. Measure the card's edge. It's easy and accurate. This trick works for both inside and outside corners. Stretch tape before peeling it off paper. This helps prevent the paper from ripping. Good tip to know. To pour stuff fast on big jobs. Put a pipe at the bottom of a big bucket. It's great for things like self-leveling compound. Use a valve to control the flow. You can cover a huge area super quick, like a 4,000 square foot room in an hour. It's a real time saver. Making a wooden joint is easier than you think. Measure and mark your wood. Cut along the lines. Wet the wood to make it flexible without breaking. Shape it, then use a small dowel and glue to hold it steady. This method is perfect for curved edges or rounded corners. Let the wood dry fully before finishing. It's a simple way to add flair to your woodworking projects. Got a hole in your wall? Grab 2 drywall pieces, glue them together, and hold with a rubber band until dry. Cover with putty, then paint. Perfect for small holes. Pro tip, for a seamless finish, sand the putty before painting. It'll look good as new. Want to mark dowels easily? For soft wood, grab 2 nails and press lightly. That's it. Did you know this works great on pine and cedar? Give it a try next time you're woodworking. Looking for an easy paint mixing trick? Grab a plastic hanger and cut off a corner. Attach it to your drill and dip it in the paint can. Turn it on and watch the paint mix. Bonus tip, this method works for any paint type, even thick ones. Use 2 clamps together if one's too short. They're stronger when paired. Use a long screw with 2 nuts to spread glue evenly. Move the nuts to the sides for the right thickness. This trick saves glue and works great on wood projects. Want to bend wood without breaking it? Try using boiling water. It softens the wood, making it easier to shape into corners. This works because hot water makes the wood's glue, called lignin, softer. Great for making curved furniture or crafts. A woodworking compass helps mark curves. Use a jigsaw with a coat foot to cut them. This tool is great for making rounded edges on tables. Put a foam tube around your drill bit to hold a nut in place. This makes screwing nuts much easier and faster. It's like giving your drill a helping hand. This trick works great for hard-to-reach spots or when working overhead. To make straps extra tight, pull a small loop through the buckle and wrap it around the front. The heavier the load, the tighter it gets. This works great for securing things on car roofs or in trucks. Remember to check it during long trips. To add threads to PVC or plastic, use a metal pipe connector and a blowtorch. Heat the connector, not the plastic, press it onto the plastic to make threads. Be careful not to overheat. It can melt the plastic. Great for DIY plumbing projects.